Fracking includes the impacts resulting from all of the activities needed to bring a shale gas or oil well into production using high-volume hydraulic fracturing, to operate that well and to deliver the gas or oil produced from that well to market. The oil and gas industry often uses a more restrictive definition of fracking that includes only the actual moment in the extraction process when rock is fractured, a definition that obscures the broad changes to environmental, health, and community conditions that result from the use of fracking in oil and gas extraction. Fracking has polluted both groundwater and surface waterways such as rivers, lakes, and streams. Fracking pollution can enter our waters at several points in the process, including leaks and spills of fracking fluid, well blowouts, the escape of methane and other contaminants from the well bore into groundwater, and the long-term migration of contaminants underground. Handling of toxic fracking waste that returns to the surface once a well has been fracked presents more opportunities for contamination of drinking water. State data confirm more than 1,000 cases of water contaminated by dirty drilling operations. Fracking produces enormous volumes of toxic wastewater, often containing cancer-causing and even radioactive material. Once brought to the surface, this toxic waste poses hazards for drinking water, air quality, and public safety. Fracking wells nationwide produced an estimated 280 billion gallons of wastewater in 2012. This toxic wastewater often contains cancer-causing and even radioactive materials, and has contaminated drinking water sources from Pennsylvania to New Mexico. Scientists have linked underground injection of wastewater to earthquakes. In New Mexico alone, waste pits from all oil and gas drilling have contaminated groundwater on more than 400 occasions. Fracking requires huge volumes of water for each well. Fracking operations have used at least 250 billion gallons of water since 2005. While most industrial uses of water return into the water cycle for further use, fracking converts clean water into toxic wastewater, much of which must then be permanently disposed of, taking billions of gallons out of the water supply annually. Fracking uses a wide range of chemicals, many of them toxic. Operators have hauled more than 2 billion gallons of chemicals to thousands of fracking sites around the country. In addition to other health threats, many of these chemicals have the potential to cause cancer. These toxics can enter drinking water supplies from leaks and spills, through well blowouts, and through the failure of disposal wells receiving fracking wastewater.